I'll tell you this. Dad sure got his money's worth when it came to renting this thing.
Oh, you can say that again.
I'm glad it's all finally over with.
Yeah.
Wait, guys, aren't you forgetting something?
I don't know.
Kim's car is still in the driveway.
That's right.
We gotta get rid of it. I'll tell you what. I'll take it and I'll drive it to the airport.
Okay.
And leave it at the parking lot there.
All right, here.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Okay, come on.
How do you get back?
I'll have to hitch.
Well, you can't do that. It was sounds dangerous. Yeah, you might get picked up by some weirdo psycho pervert.
It's okay. Oh, wow.
What's wrong?
I forgot about the lawn. Dad'll kill me if he comes home and it looks like this. Wait, I gotta get started if I'm gonna get all this done by the time he gets home tonight.
Oh my God! I just remember with everything that's been going on, I forgot to tell.
What?
Dad called this morning. He said he'd be home early.
How early?
He said about 2.
2? There's no way I can get all this done by 2. What time is it now?
12:30.
Oh God, I am dead meat.
Oh, wait a minute. What about us?
Yeah, we can start. We'll start while you're ditching the car, but you gotta hurry back because we won't be able to do it all, and there isn't much time.
Oh, okay. Okay, great. Thanks.
Come on, let's go.
Okay. Be back soon.
Well, you guys aren't a sight for sore eyes.
Hi, Dad.
Sure did miss you guys. How'd it go?
Okay.
John, the yard is looking great. I am truly proud of you.
Well, thanks, but to be honest, I can't take all the credit. Tom and Denise helped me out.
Well, then I am truly proud of all of you. I tell you, I bet I am the luckiest father in the world to have such great kids as you. And Tom, you showed a great deal of responsibility by helping John without being asked. I think you're ready for that 10-speed.
Wow, thanks.
By the way, how did everything go with Aunt Tess?
Fine.
Great.
Super.
But she's gone.
What?
Well, she had to go home for some reason, and she said that she didn't think you would mind her leaving John in charge for a few hours.
No, not at all. By the way, did she say anything about coming back for another visit?
Not really.
But I'm sure she'll be showing up from time to time.
Yeah.